Yes, it's possible, but it requires a focused strategy. Making $5,000 in 1 week with ChatGPT depends on how you use the tool and demand for your services. You can use ChatGPT to freelance writing, consulting, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products to generate income quickly. High-demand services include freelance writing, social media management, AI-powered chatbots, and selling online courses or digital products. Find clients quickly by using freelance platforms, social media, cold outreach, and running special offers to attract bookings. Yes, ChatGPT can automate tasks like content creation and email responses, helping you scale your workload efficiently. You may need to dedicate 6 to 10 hours a day, depending on your service and pricing, to achieve this goal. Challenges include finding clients quickly, time management, and competition. But with focus, these can be overcome. Pricing varies per service, like charging $500 to $1,000 for freelance writing or $1,000 for online courses. Yes, ChatGPT can quickly generate content, allowing you to take on more clients and complete projects in less time. To increase your chances, identify high-demand services, leverage marketing, automate tasks, and deliver quality work.